Golly, friends of the New Land Dictionary.
Damn it, Jimmy.
Hey, what's happened? Oh, what do you want, Bobby?
You messed up the homework, Jimmy. You're a loser. How not know where babies come from? Babies.
Mom, from where babies of it come from?
Sorry, Jimmy, I'm busy. Ask your father.
Baby is rough. Dad, where do babies come from?
Well, son, let me tell you about the bird and the bees. When a boy likes a girl, the girl kicks the boy in the pants, and then the babies pop out of her belly. That is why you must cover your privates or else you will have offspring running everywhere.
Wow, now I know.